This is the new Sony LinkBuds S Earth Blue earbuds. Same exact earbuds from the black and white models, same comfort factor, same impressive battery life, 6 hours of playback, 20 hours with the charging case. They're the same exact earbuds, but this time in a fresh earth blue color. Disclaimer, Sony is sponsoring this video, but since the launch of the LinkBuds S, I've been using these earbuds every single day. Like, that's not a hyperbole. I've literally used them every single day for my morning workouts, for my bike rides to my office, Zoom calls, to travels. Like, I've been doing an insane amount of travel this year, and of course, editing my videos. I'll explain how and why in just a bit, but first let's go ahead and unbox the LinkBuds S Earth Blue and talk about specs. I've already unboxed it because I'm holding it right now. But just so you could see what the unboxing looks like, here's the unboxing. First, let's take a look at the packaging. The packaging is all recycled material. Nothing plastic is in the packaging at all, so great effort for sustainability. And of course, inside the packaging is the new LinkBuds S Earth Blue. Now, the body and case of the LinkBuds S Earth Blue is actually made from factory recovered plastic and reclaimed water bottles, which gives them that distinctive marble pattern. In front of the case, you have the light indicator to tell you if the battery is charging or not, or if it needs to be charged. And on the back of the case is a USB-C port where you can charge the case. And what's really crazy about all the LinkBuds S is that if you charge them for 5 minutes, you get 1 hour of playback. That's crazy cool. And the interesting thing that I found with the LinkBuds S is how comfortable they really are to wear. Like, you can wear these for a very long time. Like I said before, I've been traveling an insane amount this year, flying 1 to 3 times a month and going on 3 to 5 hour flights each time. Well, the go-to earbuds of my choice are the LinkBuds S because of how comfortable they are. And there's some really cool smart features built within the LinkBuds S. Features like adaptive sound control, which switches between noise cancellation and ambient sound based on what you are doing. So for example, if I'm on the plane and I'm working on a video on my computer, then all of a sudden on the PA, the pilot makes an announcement and says I gotta buckle my safety belt or whatever. The audio levels on the LinkBuds S will lower so that I can hear that. And once those outside sounds are done, the volume will then kick back up so that I can continue editing my video on my computer. It's just a really cool way to hear the outside world without taking out the earbuds. Also on the plane, I just don't like talking to people. And so if you ever see me on the plane and I have, the LinkBuds S on, just, you can wave hi, but just, maybe leave me be. Well, I don't want to say leave me be, that's just rude. You can say hi. But editing videos on a plane with the LinkBuds S are great because the noise cancellation are just that good. Also, traveling with the LinkBuds S is just a no-brainer because look how small these are. Like, you could just easily pack this into any camera bag. And for me, like, I'm all about the carry-on life. Like, I hate checking in luggage. And so if I can just bring everything that I need with my backpack and my carry-on luggage, then I'm happy. I'm totally happy. And these make me happy. And of course, there are touch gestures with each earbud. If you tap on the right earbud, that'll stop or play your music or your podcast. And if you tap on the left earbud, that'll switch between noise cancellation or ambient sound. So very simple gestures to control the LinkBuds S. And lastly, the LinkBuds S are IPX4 sweat resistant. So if you're at the gym and you're sweating things, you don't have to worry about the LinkBuds S being damaged. You can just sweat all you want and have a grand old time. Clearly, I don't go to the gym. Another cool feature with the LinkBuds S is that you can pair it to 2 other Bluetooth devices at the same time. So when a call comes in, the LinkBuds S will know which device to use, obviously your phone. And then once you're done with that phone call, you want to get back to editing your videos on your computer. With a simple touch of a button, you can quickly switch to that device. Pretty cool. So those are the specs of the LinkBuds S, but why do you need them as a content creator? Well, first of all, earbuds are just generally good to have for all types of activities, right? Like for working out, chores around the house, traveling, of course. But the reason why I think every content creator should have a decent set of earbuds is because of how your content is being consumed. Because chances are, whether you make videos on YouTube, TikTok, or Reels, there's a good chance that people are watching your content with earbuds on. And if they don't sound good to the audience, like say that you EQ'd it so that they sound good on desktop speakers, but they don't sound good on earbuds, then it might deter people away from watching more of your content or even subscribing to your channels. Because like I've said before, like even though visuals are important, good audio is the more important factor when it comes to good overall content. Like, you can have the best visuals, but if it sounds bad, then it's gonna throw me off, right? But if the visuals aren't okay, but it sounds so good, then it's just gonna be a lot more enjoyable to watch. So for my workflow, when I edit my videos, I do have a proper workflow, and whenever I edit the audio in my videos, I actually have these custom-made presets that I drag and drop to the video clips of me talking, to the music that I'm underlaying underneath the entire video. These are the presets that I've made and been using for years. Now, once the audio sounds fine, I listen to the entirety of the video on my desktop speakers. And of course, with most desktop speakers, they're gonna sound good. They're gonna sound full, they're gonna sound rich. And after I'm done listening to my video from my desktop speakers, I then watch it on my laptop by just using the laptop speakers. Because there's a lot of people watching my videos just by using their laptops, like nothing attached to it, just a laptop and the internal speakers of the laptop. And if the audio doesn't sound right on the laptop speakers and it does sound right with my desktop speakers, I'll make a few tweaks in there so that they both sound pretty decent. But if the audio sounds good on my laptop speakers, I then watch my video on a TV. And I know it's kind of weird to say, but there's been a growing number of people watching YouTube videos on their TV. And so just like watching my video on a laptop, I watch my video on the TV. I get a good sense of what the audio sounds like, and if it doesn't sound good, I'll make some tweaks. But if it does, I then watch it on my phone. The first pass without any earbuds or headphones attached, and if they sound good, then I'll attach earbuds like the Sony LinkBuds S and watch my video with these on. And if they sound good, then awesome, I'm ready to upload and post. And if they don't, then again, I'll go back to my computer and make some tweaks here and there. And the goal for me by doing all of that is just to have a nice, well-rounded sound across multiple devices, because I don't want my video to sound great on desktop speakers but sound really bad on a mobile device, and the vast majority of people watching my videos are on a mobile device. And so having a really good set of earbuds like LinkBuds S are so important for a creator like me, because I want the audio to sound good. And I am not an audio engineer at all. Like, this is the best way for me to like get good audio, because I want you to have a really good experience watching my videos. And then if you're a content creator who travels like me, like the LinkBuds S are perfect to travel with. Again, they're super small, compact, and lightweight. They pack it into any camera bag. And I just love the overall comfort factor, the battery life, and of course, the noise cancellation with the LinkBuds S, very impressive, which is why they are my favorite earbuds to bring to whenever I travel and I have to edit on the go. And now with this new cool earth blue color, you have more options to choose from if you're interested in getting a good set of earbuds. You have the white, black, and the new LinkBuds S earth blue color. Well, if you're looking for a good set of earbuds, then definitely check out the Sony LinkBuds S, especially in the new earth blue color. Links will be down in the description below. Thank you, Sony, for sponsoring this video. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, hit the bell buttons down below, and I'll see ya in the next video. Bye.